This is why ama-beginners mebuka i-charts edideka. Team Forex Moguls, welcome back again guys to our channel. So basically namhlanje into esizobe sikhuluma ngayo is about i-time frame. So i-time frame for umuntu oqala nje mesaqala, i-time frame mesaqala nje evula i-charts, kuningi osuke kuvela lapha. So ngeke ube nayo i-clue yokuthi okay kwenzakalani, yabo, usuke unganayo i-clue. That's why it's very important to understand ukuthi kahle kahle wenzani. Number 2, ama-price or i-charts ngeke lifane i-pattern, ngeke lifane i-pattern according to i-time frame ozobe uyifakile. U-1 minute ngeke ufane no-1 hour, 1 hour ngeke ufane no-4 hours. So lokho kuyenza ukuthi ugcina udideka, ungabi nesiqiniseko sokuthi wenzani kwi-market. So that is why ngithe mina uba ne-confusion mawukuthi awuyi-understand leyo pattern yama-time frame. So without wasting isikhathi, let's go straight to i-video yethu. Number 1, iyini i-time frame? I-time frame guys isuke itshengisa i-price movement over time. Shuthi ngamanye amazwi isuke ikunikeza a clue ukuthi i-price iya kiphi direction and kwenzakalani within ama-time frames from ukusuka kwayo kuma-seconds, because mawubheka kwi-traders view, kwi-trading view kukhona ama-time frame amancane kakhulu, more than ilo i-1 minute, because khona 1 minute, 3 minutes, mase kuba khona or 5 minutes kuyale phezulu kwema-hourweni. So kusukela from i-second i-candlestick forma to i-daily, usuke ukwazi ukuthi utshengise ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani within those times. So basically i-candlestick iyodwa njengoba ubona la, for an example, i-candlestick iyodwa, for instance kwi-time frame ya 1 minute isuke itshengisa i-formation ya 1 minute kuleyo candlestick eyodwa. Mawuvule i-time frame ya 1 minute naku-1 hour it's the same thing, ukuthi once wavula u-1 hour i-candlestick yakho izotshengisa within that hour, izohlala within that hour ukuthi i-formation yenzeke for i-candlestick eyodwa. Same applies to 1 day, right? Now kunama-common time frames engifisa ukuthi ngiwachaze ukuze nizowa-understand. Sorry about that, yazi mouse yami ilibele i-disappear. Number 1, ama-time frames guys awu-3 ama-stages e-time frame. Khona i-lower time frame, khona i-medium time frame, mase kuba khona i-higher time frame. Now kwi-lower time frame kufike kuba khona u-M1 which means u-1 minute, mase kuba khona u-M5 which means u-5 minutes, mase kuba khona u-M15 which means u-15 minutes. Now ama-characteristics alama lower time frames, number 1, i-price imova fast. Number 2, there's more noise, meaning kuba ubudlikidliki phezulu nje, uyabo, into enga-understandeki, kuba nje o-zigzag abasheshayo. Number 3, more emotions, meaning ukuthi uba more emotional towards the chart or the movement, because isuke ishesha, isuke i-explicit, like kusuke ku-fast and idinga ukuthi nawe uyazi into oyenzayo, right? Leyo ke yenziwa o-Ref Wayne, yabo. And number 4, it's not beginner friendly, yabo. I-lower time frame, which is this part le, sorry, which is this part le engichazayo, mase yami yahlupha, lower. Then mase kuba khona i-medium. I-medium kuba u-M30 which is 30 minutes, kuba u-H1 which is 1 hour, mase kuba u-H4 which is 4 hours. Now kuma-characteristics e-medium frame uba ne-structure esi-clean, meaning ukuthi uyakwazi ukuyibona i-movement nendlela e-formation esuke ngakhona. Number 2, less noise, meaning ukuthi akukho lokuzikuzeka onga-understandeki, right? Number 3, better for learning, uyakwazi ukufunda indlela yokuthi u-trade from lama medium time frame kuba ngconywana. Yabo, it's more recommendable for abantu abasaqala vele kwi-industry, uyayibo lonto. Then mase siba nenye ilo i-time frame yokugcina, which is the higher, which is this one, right? I-higher time frame yona isuke i-consista u-D1, sorry about this, safuna ukufaka i-mouse yami la ukuze nazo-ke sengizokwazi ukumuva kahle. Then mase kuba u-D1, which is daily, right? Usangaphansi la kwa-higher time frame, which is daily. Mase kuba khona u-W1, which is weekly. Now ama-characteristics alawa, number 1, i-slow ngale ndlela ongazibona, i-movement yakhona is very slow. But number 2, i-trend uyakwazi ukuyibona ukuthi okay manje i-market imove towards upwards or noma downwards in. And then number 3, ama-analysis takhona awu-best, uyakwazi nje uku-analyze ngendlela eyiyona, like it's very clean and clear, yabo. Kuphela-ke kudingakala ukuthi ube patient because ihamba kancane, yabo, ihamba kancane. Then why price look different on each time frame? So i-price ayishintshi, but ama-zoom levels iwona ashintshayo, right? Ngamanye amazwi like ukubona isithombe mawade usishuthile uzuma in uzuma out, it's the same thing. Angithi isithombe asishintshi, but indlela yokubona leyo nto osuke ufuna ukuyiviewa iyona eshintshayo, it's the same thing ke nala. I-lower time frame it's when you are zoomed in, i-higher time frame it's when you are zoomed out. That is the analogy, yabo, of the whole thing of ukuhluka kwendlela ebonakala ngayo. And then masiza la ku big mistakes, mistakes that beginners that they do. Number 1, ukushintsha ama-time frames kakhulu, like nje ushintsha uthi hayi othi ngithi 15, othi ngithi 5, othi ngithi 1 hour, so ugcina udideka lapho, ugcina ungayi-understand into oyenzayo, yabo, ugcina ungayi-understand ukuthi okay like wenzani, yabo, what are you doing. Then number 2, ukuthenga kwenye time frame mhlawumbe ku-15 kodwa kwi-1 hour uyasela, yabo, like leyo nto izokwenza nje ungayiboni into oyenzayo, yabo, uzocontradicta nje indlela owenza ngayo. And lento le izokunikeza ama-signals are-mixed, yabo, uzoconfuse yilo ama-mixed, and leyo nto yenza ukuthi ubukeke njengomuntu ongatrade neplan, utrader nje mhlapa, there's no plan in what you are doing, right? So that is why ngirecommend ukuthi ngizorecommenda lama time frame lawo, best time frames for beginners engizonikeza wona. Number 1, u-H1 is for entries. H1, which is 1 hour time frame, is for entries. Then u-H4 is for direction, ukuthi i-market iyaphi, right? And then mase kuba u-D1, which is daily time frame, mawuvula yona usuke ufuna ukubheka ini, i-trend ukuthi iyaphi, i-trend ukuthi yenzani, iyaphi. That is what you are looking for. And as umuntu ozobe eqala lama time frame akwenza ukuthi ube calm and ube consistent kwinto oyenzayo. Mawutrade i-gold, qala uvula u-daily chart, ubheka i-trend ukuthi yangakiphi, is it buying, yabo. Mawuthi u-H1 u-H4 mawubheka, oh liyanyuka ngempela njengoba nje kade ngibonile ku-daily, then ku-H1 ubheka ama-entries. Kuyenzeka-ke guys ukuthi kuma-entries u-H1 kungabi lula ukuwa-check-a because it takes longer, yabo, it takes longer a bit. So for you to be very much confident, you need to wait a bit, yabo. Wait a bit, ubone istructure ukuthi sime kanjani, and then ufake i-entry yakho. And then maseke siza ukutheni ukwazi kanjani ukufaka ukusebenzisa lama time frames akho. Njengoba kade sengichazile, indlela elula nje ku-day 1 uthola i-overall trend, day 2 u-H4 uthola i-confirmation, H1 ubheka ama-entries, yabo, ubheka ama-entries akho. Then why lower time frames are dangerous? Now this is very important, right? This is very, very important. Number one, number one, inama fake moves, yabo. You get tricked, yabo. Ama-lower time frames uzoyitshela hayi yabhayi ubona ngelo i-rejection kanti lutho, yabo. And then number two, uba emotional, like emotional trading uba high, yabo, cause manje yonke into fast nje wakade ngichazile. Noku-over trader. Number 3, uzoze u-over trade, then-ke eyokugcina ukuthi uzoba nama-losses amakhulu fast, yabo. So that is why ngithi nje ama-lona a-dangerous ngale ndlela ongakaze uyibone ama-lower time frame. So nje wayekeni unless usuwumpetha. Then let's go to i-past yethu yokugcina, which is i-summary. I-summary yethu, the first thing that we talked about ukuthi i-time frame iyona i-control ukuthi ukwazi ukubona i-price, right? Number 2, beginners, you need to be clarified. Fanele ube ne-clarity with regards to indlela osuke ubuka ngale charts, ungagijimi. Number 4, which is ukulandela le formula le, H1 H4 day 1, meaning ukuthi ku H1 wenzani ama-entries, ku H4 yini ama-direction, ku D1 yini i-trend, yabo. And then yokugcina ke, don't jump. Means don't jump la ngisuke ngichaza ukuthi ungajumpi in between time frames, uzoconfuseka, ngiyasindela, yabo. So nje guys, ikona lokho ebengifuna ukuthi ngikhulume ngako about. I hope ni enjoyile le segment about time frames. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 3,000 subscribers. Comment down below mawukuthi ke lo engikuchazile la khona ongaku-understandanga. Team Forex Moguls. Danko.